Most people get this comparison wrong by assuming all cell carriers offer the same coverage and value. But when it comes to US Cellular vs T-Mobile, the differences are significant. Today, they'll break down everything you need to know to decide which is better for you. Let's start with coverage. US Cellular is known for strong rural coverage. If you live outside major cities, US Cellular often provides better signal strength and reliability than T-Mobile. Most people get this wrong because they assume T-Mobile's nationwide network covers every area equally. But in remote regions, US Cellular often wins. T-Mobile shines in urban and suburban areas. Its 5G network is extensive, and speeds are consistently faster in cities. This makes it a great option if you stream, game, or work remotely from populated areas. Most people don't realize T-Mobile's 5G performance can be a game changer for daily internet use. Pricing is another key difference. T-Mobile generally offers more flexible plans, including unlimited data options and family discounts. US Cellular's plans are slightly higher per line, but they often include perks like rollover data and priority customer support. If you value reliability over price, US Cellular might be worth the extra cost. Customer service is another area to consider. US Cellular is a smaller carrier and often provides more personalized support. T-Mobile has improved drastically over the years, but can still feel impersonal due to its size. In conclusion, if you live in a rural area and want strong coverage with dependable service, US Cellular is probably your best choice. If you prioritize 5G speeds, urban coverage, and flexible plans, T-Mobile is likely the better option. Most people benefit from checking coverage maps and evaluating their location before committing. Subscribe for more honest mobile carrier comparisons so you can make the right choice for your lifestyle.